Hi, welcome to my southern cottage garden. My name is Sharika, and I'm going to be taking you along on this journey as I try to recreate my 2022 southern cottage garden. I'm here in Louisiana in zone 9B, so it's very hot and humid here. And over the years, I am a teacher by day. Over the years, I just kind of fell in love with cottage gardens. And although it's very hot and humid here, I did find some really beautiful plants that would be able to survive in this heat that we have here in southern Louisiana, zone 9B. A lot different from Zone 9B that you may have seen with other YouTubers. There's a lot of heat, a lot of humidity. One day can be cool, the next day can be extremely hot. We have hurricanes here, so much. And I would like to take you along on this journey with me as I try to recreate what I did last year and add some more beautiful plants to, as well as shrubs, to my cottage garden. So I have my front garden that I did last year, but my daughter and myself are trying to start on this journey to kind of completing the backyard as well. So hopefully you will subscribe and like and comment on what I've done with the front yard on last year. Hope to see you. Bye-bye. So here is a small view, a little tour, if you will, of what I've been able to accomplish in the front yard. And this is over the span of maybe a year to a year and a half of growing some of these shrubs and perennials. And if you notice, the color scheme that I picked was kind of more of your pinks and greens and maybe some sage green, some hues of blue, and really some lime green. So I really think those colors play well together, and you'll notice my little bunny in the background. But this is what I was able to accomplish in 1 to 1.5 growing seasons last year. So this is what the front yard looked like towards the end of the last growing season. So please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I have much more to come for this new growing season that we have, this spring growing season that we have ahead of us. I'm also looking for tips. Anybody who's also living in Zone 9B, southern part of the hemisphere, especially here in the hot and humid South, follow along with me. I would really like to become friends and kind of share information that we learn along the way. Bye.